Today we are going to see how to make photo stands. The required items are waste cardboards, acrylic painting, photos of any size, transparent cover, tape, paintbrush, knife, pencil, scale. Let's see how to make this photo stand. First, take the cardboard and draw whatever shapes you want. Now I am going to draw a heart shape and cut in that shape. After cutting this cardboard, you can take the shape out of it. We can also use this as a special design by sticking wherever we want. Now we are going to paint this cardboard. Take whatever color you want. I am taking blue now. Paint this cardboard fully. I have painted this with a blue color and I am going to paint the heart shape with a red color. After painting both these, keep it aside. Now we are going to stick the photos in a cover. Take the transparent cover and the photo. After cutting the transparent cover like this, place the photo inside it and we should stick it now on all sides. After sticking the transparent cover in the photo like this, we are going to stick it in the cardboard. After sticking the photo back side, now we are going to stick this heart. After sticking this heart, we are going to make stand for this photo. Pour the Fevicol here and stick it to photo stand. Now our photo stand is ready. I have made these photo stands with the same method. You can make many more. Thanks for watching this video. Spread the joy of inventing.